Hello everyone, welcome to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you my green forest cake. This recipe is very easy and tasty. And you know what? This cake is made from spinach. Yes, spinach. But nobody will notice that this cake is made with spinach. Let's get started. First, we have to cook our strawberry filling. I put my strawberry filling in saucepan. Whenever my strawberries start to boil, I melted my cornstarch and 50 grams of water and pour it inside my strawberry. Cook your strawberry for about 10 minutes without stop stirring it. Mix your strawberry with a hand blender, put it in the fridge until we need it. Now it's time to prepare our cake. Wash your spinach with hot water. Mix it with oil, lemon juice and lemon zest. Mix it with a hand blender very well. Beside that, beat your eggs with sugar and vanilla until your eggs double volume and become white, fluffy and foamy. Add your spinach to your eggs gradually in 3 sections. Fold gently between each section. Sift your flour and add it gradually in 3 sections too. Fold it gently to well incorporate your flour. Put your mixture in a mold that you have prepared before. Cook your cake for about 45 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Beat your cream cheese with heavy cream and 4 spoons of sugar. Trim your cake edges, grind them and set them aside because we will need them to decorate our cake. Cut your cake in half. Soak your cake with the syrup that you have prepared before. You need to have a cold syrup. Fill your cake with the cream first. Adjust your cream with a spatula. Secure your cake border with the cream, then put your jelly filling in the middle. Add a little bit of cream on the top of your jelly and adjust it well. Put the second layer of your cake. My cake was broken, but don't worry, we will fix it with the cream because it's very soft cake. Cover your cake with the rest of the cream. You don't need to have sharp edges. Cover your cake with the crumbs that we did save it before. Decorate your cake with any fruit of your choice. Brush your fruits with a piping gel to prevent them from dryness. Now your cake is ready to serve. Serve it cold with a nice cup of coffee. I hope you did like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!